gig, right, for a general voiceover, you now have 4. So you have more probability of being found. And you can also beta test, different keywords and different thumbnail designs and, titles and tags, between the 4 gigs to see what works sort of better. And I've done that, and that actually works really well because each thumbnail needs to be different for each gig. Each sample or demo within each gig needs to be different. It needs to reflect that specific service. So for your general voiceover gig, it should have, because it is a general voiceover gig, a catch-all, right? Like an umbrella gig, it should have a sampling of what you offer. And then for the specific gigs, like for the IVR gig, for example, it should have all IVR demos in it or phone tree demos. For your audiobook gig, it needs to be all audiobook demos.